Hi! This week I am sharing the trip to the cabin we took in mid-July. It's kind of like a summer day at the cabin with a couple clips at the beginning from like moments I thought were vibey, especially the moment where I made the most banger zucchini pasta from a New York Times Instagram recipe I found. But anyway, there was still scaffolding around the roof from when the tree fell down on the roof. So I used it as like a balcony spot where I was reading my little romance book from Annabelle Monaghan called It's a Love Story that I read in 3 days. I think summer is my romance novel time. We also took the opportunity of having the scaffolding to paint the front of the roof, since, as you can tell, it was in need of a fresh coat of paint. About 5 years ago, we did the other side, and this side was a little less accessible and more dangerous, so the scaffolding came at a clutch time. I managed to knock everyone out with my Hugo Spritz. A Hugo Spritz is just like, instead of Aperol, you use elderflower liquor. So they all took a nap while I made dinner. The pasta was fantastic and reminiscent of pesto. It uses ricotta, but because it's Norway, I couldn't find that at the supermarket. Instead of ricotta, I used cottage cheese. I don't know if it was the Hugo Spritz, but I was so vibing while everyone was out cold. I was really enjoying being on my own, listening to music, drinking my little Hugo Spritz. Vibes and atmospheres were so magical and summery. Yeah, in the summer I enjoy reading romance books because they're easy and they match the summer vibe, I think. Fantasy feels more like a fall thing. There was also a heat wave that week when we were up there, which was really nice to be at the cabin in the mountains to get away from some of that heat in the evening. The next day in the morning, we had fish that the family had caught. Apparently this is like a traditional Swedish breakfast where you have this thickened hot milk with some beer and butter fried fish. I love trying traditional things from the country or area I live, obviously. We proceeded with our slow day drinking coffee and then just going down to the water to just hang out, get some sun rays, make a plan for the day. Not really, there are no plans. 2 days before, we were swimming in this lake because it was like 20 degrees. And then to that day we were down there, the water was 15 degrees that day. I tried to stop Dahlia from eating my mother-in-law's sunscreen because I don't think that's good for her system. The water temperature can change 10 degrees throughout the day from like currents or whatnot. So we were able to swim one day, but not the other days because it got really cold. In fact, I had my legs in there for a while and they got completely red from the cold. It was quite comedic. I might not be the best at skipping rocks, but I am a fantastic collector of rocks to skip.
Not amazing footage.
We did in fact volunteer to go food shopping, and on the way down there we noticed that my father-in-law and his mother were actually rowing on the lake on our way out, which is pretty cute. The drive to the supermarket is about like 15-20 minutes, and it's so scenic and gorgeous. Like, look at that river view. It's so, you know, the shop and the gas station is surprisingly whimsical as well. And I don't know about you, but I love going to a new shop and just like cruising around, not cruising, but like just exploring. And this shop is so decked out. It's got camping gear, fishing gear, it's got a little hardware store, and just like anything you can think of. Like 10 out of 10. Our supermarket in front of our house is notoriously the worst supermarket in all of Norway, but this one is fantastic. It even has bulldog, which is crazy, but no extra virgin olive oil, which is a strange choice in my opinion. But you know, whatever. There is olive oil, but it's not extra virgin, so... It was 25 degrees that day, so we did buy ice cream sandwiches. And like, look at how pretty that is. Is it not so picturesque and straight out of a like summer camp romance book? That's exactly what I wanted.
Oh, really?
I love iced tea with lemon. But it's so refreshing and it's so summer. I managed to only get one stain on my shorts. Dahlia greeted us from the evil big metal machine that she hates. She hates cars. So she was very happy to see us home safe. And of course, we got her a little treat because she's a baby and she deserves the world. I took a shower like normal people do. It's such a luxury to have running water in these like cozy, smaller Norwegian cabins. And look at how tan I look. And then proceeded with pouring myself a wine spritzer. I know, blasphemous as a French person, but I enjoy them. They're refreshing as fuck. Before getting demolished at chess, I started learning chess a couple weeks ago because I thought it would be fun to play a game of chess on our anniversary later in July. But chess is hard. Got wrecked.
Oh! Color me impressed, baby. Are you wrong?
I don't know. How do I do this?
Not from there. Let me... No, you have to sit in the middle with your back towards me. And try not to lose the oars in the water.
I didn't really film dinner because there was other people around the table. I don't want to make them uncomfy. Also, it was a little bit informal, like it was a late lunch, early dinner of leftovers. We took the boat out for a little tour after dinner, rowed to the other side of the lake to explore an abandoned cabin that Joachim's dad had spotted, which is fun. I do wish I had other shoes than these like surfing shoes to go in like the mountains where there are bears and bear poops and shit, but you know, hindsight. And this is the lake that freezes over in the winter that we do some ice fishing on in the winter, which is such a fun contrast to me. I never cease to be amazed at how fucking cold it gets in the winter to the point where you can fish on a lake.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's the first time that I go in the summer, and it's definitely the first time I swim in the lake. This is what a typical Norwegian cabin without running water or electricity will actually look like. I don't know. I say this like I've explored that before. I've never been to a cabin without running water or electricity. I know they're popular, but this cabin is like stepping back in time, you know, just being at the cabin in the mountains feels like you could be in the 60s or 80s or 90s, and it's a really nice break from the clusterfuck that is our reality today. So I enjoy being at the cabin. And it was really fun to go to the other side of the lake because we don't do that for some reason.
Did you open it?
Yeah, I didn't know this is how things would look like when we would explore, so I was ill-equipped with my teeny tiny t-shirt, no pants and no shoes.
I peed right there.
I hope these clips of the peaceful lake and the sun shining on the lake are relaxing to you. They are to me. Before the sun disappeared behind the mountain, I wanted to try my hand at carving a Dalarna horse. My father-in-law is Swedish and carves thousands of these horses a year, and I asked him to teach me. And I did a really good job with the first one because he was there, but not so great with the second one, which is fine. I'll just do it again next time we spend time together. The fishing group came back from their fishing at the river, and we went down to the lake to to gut the fish. And by we, I mean my father-in-law and my boyfriend, because that's not my vibe. We finished the day having a little cheese platter and watching the Norwegian football team come back to Norway after their loss against England, which was really cute and very patriotic, and finished with a lovely walk by the lake. As always, thanks for watching. I am genuinely glad that you're here. I appreciate you, and that's it. I really appreciate you. Okay, bye!